gonna be doing another get ready with me video. It's gonna be a very simple get ready with me, but I'm going to be getting ready. It's still spring, but it's very warm in Chicago, so I'm going outside today for like the first time. I'm actually on vacation, not in Chicago. I'm just on vacation as far as my job. So I'm like on a break for a week and a half because my clients went out of town. So recording and just, you know, still working. So today's video, we're gonna be working with this brand. This brand is Dossier. I worked with them in the past, just recently actually. And I picked these scents, and the scents that I have are Fruity Honey and Florental Jasmine. Yeah, this is my second time working with this brand. They're super quick, super fast, super efficient, super easy to send stuff back. They have samples that come with their perfume, so in case you don't like it, you can just send it back very easy and you can try something else. Their scents are super affordable, but they're like, I'm talking about high quality. Their slogan thing is actually like iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. I like that, but they smell amazing. Like these perfumes, I've been wearing them and they do not die out. I actually wore it to work one day, and I was working super hard at work one day, and this is hours after I put the perfume on, and I started to get really hot. And I started to smell my perfume like a lot, and I was like, oh, I smell good. And I was realizing the warmer I got, the more I smelled my perfume, and I had forgot about the perfume. My day was going and I was just living my life. And I was like, oh, I smell good, because I was getting so hot. So I really love these perfumes. So we're gonna use these a little bit later, but for right now, I'm going to start getting ready. So I already did my skincare routine. I just have my hair in a ponytail. I feel like my hair looks super cute, but it's just in a ponytail. I literally took my lock sock off and just put a scrunchie around my hair, and it looks so cool, but it's a high ponytail. I got an Apple Watch, which I'm super addicted to. Super addicted. Courtney got it for me the other day. I'm so happy. But yeah, I've been loving my hair. And then I also got my second piercing on my ear. So Courtney put my gold earrings in my second piercing. And I'm gonna wear some big hoops. So today's the 3 weeks. They said I can change it at 3 weeks. My friend was like, sorry if y'all keep hearing my watch go off. I don't know how to turn it down, and it's an Apple Watch, so it's gonna keep on reacting for my phone stuff, sorry. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Love this stuff. Right now it's just my favorite primer. It's like the newest primer that I have, so I really like to use it. But yeah, Courtney's at the gym right now. I'm actually vlogging today too, a weekend vlog. But of course these will be 2 separate videos. But I just did my skincare routine. I used the entire Fenty skincare routine. Skincare line, love it, obsessed with it. It's my favorite skincare right now. Also, let me do my baby hairs real quick because they look a mess. These are from yesterday. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX micro brow pencil. I think this is actually in the color, oh yeah, in the color black. My eyebrows are pretty dark and my hair is pretty dark. My hair, I dyed my hair black. Not dye. Well, yeah, I did dye. I use a permanent henna dye. But I dyed my hair black about a few months ago. It's on my channel. So my hair is black, but my roots are brown. But my hair grows in pretty dark anyway, so it looks black. So my eyebrows are dark. So I always use black. That was a long story. I use black. Now I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this one pretty much matches my skin tone. I'm just gonna clean up my brows just to make it look almost perfect. Sometimes I don't clean my brows up. It depends on how I'm feeling, and today I wanna be like super, so I wanna clean my brows up. But we'll see what happens, because I say that now, who knows how my makeup is gonna go. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. If you've been watching my makeup videos, y'all know I'll be back and forth with wanting to wear foundation, not wanting to wear foundation. It just depends on how I feel. So I'm just gonna put this over all of my just blemishes, just to get some coverage, and anywhere I want coverage. I have darkness or like hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so I like to cover that up, you know. Instead of using my beauty blender, I'm going to use this brush just to give me more coverage, just because I'm not using foundation. I'm moving fast, y'all, because Courtney is gonna be done at the gym in 10 minutes, and she's gonna shower there, and she's gonna be here in less than an hour, so I gotta hurry up. So now I'm gonna go on with my Makeup Forever. This is a little bit lighter. The color, the actual color is in, can't find it, 3.4. This is the Matte Velvet Skin. It's very good. Just gotta let it sit for a second if you want it to, like, you can control the coverage of this. If you want it to be fuller, you just let it sit for a second. If you want it to be less, you just work with it right away. And I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to blend this out to blend out my highlight. So I'm gonna be using my Huda powder. I have the Pound Cake. I don't know if Pound Cake is the color or whatever, but I have her powder. So I'm just preparing that. So right after I blend this out, I can just go in and okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Loose Fit Me powder. It's my exact skin tone, and I'm just gonna use that to set my entire face. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty bronzer. I have it in the color Caramel Cutie. Looks like this. I'm just gonna warm up my face, not too much though. Now I'm gonna go on with the NYX lip liner in the color Cold Brew. So my friend Liz gave me this Rihanna lipstick. I don't know what it is. It's so small. Matte something. It's in the color Single. So I'm gonna see if I like this by itself. If not, I'm just gonna add this lip gloss over. It's those hyaluronic lip glosses. So I can't go wrong with that. I actually really like this. Wow, and I think it goes really good with my eyes actually. I like this a lot. Damn, you alright? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm actually gonna choose this scent. This is the Fruity Honey scent. It smells so good. I let my friend Jasmine smell it yesterday, and she literally was like, smelling this scent made me like completely ready for summer. I thought that was such a good way to explain it. So this is the scent I'm gonna be, it's the wrong way. I just sprayed it all over my makeup brushes. I'm gonna use this scent today. I spray a lot of perfume. I'm gonna spray it behind my knees. You guys will see my outfit in the next clip, so spraying it behind my knees is effective today because I'm wearing shorts, but I love smelling good. So I spray a lot of perfume, and I sprayed it on my warm spots and down my shirt. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to check the description box if you want to purchase and try out Dossier's perfume lines. So amazing. I just breathed it in. It actually tastes kind of good. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.